Hey, we are going to show you today
I'm just kidding. Okay.
Hey, we're going to show you today what is in our first aid kit that we keep in the camper. Hey guys, welcome to the Art of RVing. I'm Carrie. Mark's filming today.
Hey.
We thought a lot of Welcome to our channel, guys. This is the Art of RVing. I'm Carrie. Mark's filming today.
Hey.
We wanted to show you guys what we keep in our camper. We have like 2 first aid kits and kind of what we keep in each of them, and a lot of the items are from the Dollar Tree, so we wanted to share that with you. A couple little one hack in particular that I think is really cool. Okay, we got this on Amazon. It was like all inclusive, like all of this stuff came with it. We'll link it below if I can find it, but I'm sure you can find one, and it was very reasonable. It has everything you would ever need in it. Band-aids, it's got gauze, it's got alcohol pads.
And it's small enough.
Everything, yeah, and it's very compact. You just zip it up like this, and that way you know you have everything you need. We keep it tucked away in the bathroom. So there's that. Pre-made first aid kit. Got it on Amazon. Very reasonable. Everything you would ever need. This little kit, let me show you. I kind of made this kit. So this is a little box.
Fits in the cabinet nice. It
does fit in the cabinet nice.
Yeah.
I think I got this at Target. I had a Dollar Tree bin before, and usually I use Dollar Tree bins. I don't know why I had this from Target, but anyway. Okay, this is just kind of a baggie of random things, mainly that I keep in case our son goes with us camping. He gets migraines, and he has certain medicine, and I'm just afraid we'd be somewhere that, you know, he's only 22, but God forbid.
We love you, Parker.
Yes, we do, but really, that's my job.
Yeah, it is.
I don't want to fail him as a mother.
Continue.
Yeah. Okay, Bactine. There's probably some in there.
I love Bactine. It's easy. It sprays.
Yes.
It disinfects. It's simple.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Can you use it for sunburns?
I don't know. No sting.
No sting. I like it. Okay.
Okay. Band-aids. I did get these at the Dollar Tree. You know how they have Band-aids all the... Actually, no. I don't think I did. But you can. You know you can get Band-aids at the Dollar Tree. Curad is usually the name brand that they carry.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Liquid Skin. This did come from the DT, and I snatched them up. I think I have a couple in the house, one in my car. You know, just in case you need it. It's awesome. Liquid Skin for minor cuts, cracks, and abrasions.
And you just put it on there and it just heals it like a Band-Aid?
Forms a breathable, protective layer that naturally sloughs off while helping to promote healing.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
Huh.
So, cool. These, you know, come from the Dollar Tree. Little towelettes with insect repellent on them.
It's easier than spraying it.
Yeah.
You know, because then you can just like wipe it all over you.
Yeah,
it's easier.
And we showed you guys these in another video. We'll link that below of some of our, I think, top 10. And this was one of our top 10.
Yeah, it's easy.
From the Dollar Tree, you know, camping.
It's cheap. There's 12 of them in there.
Actually, this is not. This is a okay, you're going to have to cut that out. We did a video, we'll link it below, of our all-time top favorite things to buy at the Dollar Tree, and this is one of them.
Yeah.
So we'll link that below, like I said. We also have one on our kitchen items that we use from the Dollar Tree, and bathroom.
Show them those again. Those things are awesome. Those liquid wipes, they're easy.
Yes.
You don't have to do any spray. You can take them with you.
Right, just tuck them down in your pocket or your backpack or whatever.
Me that.
Yeah.
They're easier. Yes.
Little Alka-Seltzer packets. And some like rub for sore muscles. And
is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, nice.
This is not, you can buy this at the Dollar Tree. This is not, I mean, this is just from a big bag, the box that I got at Sam's. And then this is obviously not a Dollar Tree brand, Dr. Teal's, but it's pretty good stuff. But this is my favorite thing of all. These are the little pill containers from the Dollar Tree. I've got 2 of them. They're usually at the checkout, by the checkout, with all like the random stuff in there, like the pens, the pencils, the lighters, just random stuff like this. And what I've got in here are things that we may not necessarily think to bring that we might need. There's Sudafed, there's Benadryl, Mucinex, Phenergan, Claritin D, on and on and on. And the cool thing that you do is you just unscrew it, and there's your Sudafed. You know, and screw it back on. And I even wrote the names on the bottom.
Nice.
So that way, instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2, 14 bottles or boxes of pills for just in case, you've got this little compact space.
Nice.
So I've got Prilosec, aspirin, Tylenol, Zyrtec, Advil in this one.
Right.
One thing I will tell you not to do that I just recently discovered is look at this Excedrin. I think it got hot. So don't
the gel.
Yeah. And that's a bummer.
It'll still work.
Yeah, that's true. It probably would work, but I don't know.
Dang
so, I know. Everything else is good.
I love those.
And like I said, you don't want to carry
a bunch of bottles around.
That's the point of, you know, you got to keep things light and compact in a camper.
Yeah.
No matter how big your camper is, you still don't want to weigh it down with 1,000 pounds of little stuff. Although I could be very capable of that.
And when you need a pill, you need it quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't want to fumble around grabbing a bottle.
Yeah.
Just grab the whole thing.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is one of my favorite things. I think I saw it on Pinterest, but it's an awesome tip, awesome hack. All this medicine came from inside the house, and I just keep it out here. And other than the Excedrin, I'm sure, you know, it's got a great shelf life.
Awesome.
So you guys comment below and let us know if you have any other first aid tips, tricks. Mark is all about surviving in the wilderness. So he has all kinds of stuff too, like under the camper, like, I don't know, what am I trying to say? You guys let us know if y'all have anything else that you use that you think we should add to our first aid kit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.